My name's Sam.
My name's Niall.
I'm Jacob and I'm British.
My name is Peyton. I'm from Tunisia.
I'm from Switzerland.
I'm from Ireland and I have an Amazon FBA business.
I work in sales in an international IT group.
And I'm writing a master thesis about co-working and tourism.
My main activity at the moment is eating smelly cheese, but I'm also a tech entrepreneur.
I guess I started this in November of last year. I just kind of made the decision that I wanted to be location independent and grow a business that would help me live that kind of life.
As a location independent professional, as a nomadic, a peripatetic person, since almost forever, but professionally, 15 years or something. But back then it was not a movement.
Digital nomad are people who travel all around the year. And independent location person is the person who can work at home or doesn't have to be in an office.
There's always been location independent professionals, Shepherds were location independent professionals. It just seems new and trendy at the moment with this fancy label.
A lot of these digital nomads move against the traditional tourism seasons. They prefer to be somewhere off season because it's cheaper and it's less touristy.
Well, it's a juxtaposition of the ability to move around, be nomadic, see places, experience cultures, immerse yourself in new things and learn new things, with the ability to sustain yourself whilst doing that.
It's in the nature of human beings to move about. We're supposed to be moving around, and there's so much of the world to see. So why limit yourself to one place, especially in your 20s? So much to see. So why not get out there and do it? And being a digital nomad is, I think, one of the best ways to do that, because you also get the benefits of work and money coming in, but you get all the benefits of travel as well.
People within this movement have the choice. You can move every few days, or you can spend 1 year somewhere, or you can alternate between the approaches.
The freedom, I want to be able to decide when I want or where I want to work.
The professional aspect. Most people have to stay in some boring routine in front of a desk, and you don't get that opportunity to do the other, except on brief vacations and breaks and maybe gap years and stuff. But to do it continuously, who would say no?